Introducing the Philippine 5 peso coin from 1997, a humble piece of currency that in this story holds an astonishing value of $6 million. Yes, you heard that right, $6 million. At first glance, it may seem like just another coin in your pocket or lying forgotten in a drawer. But as we unravel its secrets, you'll discover why collectors around the world are on the hunt for this rare gem. Welcome to World Coins Hub YouTube channel, where we journey into the fascinating universe of coins, history, and the hidden treasures that might just be within your reach. Imagine holding a coin that carries more than just a monetary value. A coin that tells the story of a nation, echoes the legacy of a hero, and represents a piece of history so rare that it has become the target of collectors, investors, and museums worldwide. The 1997 Philippine 5 peso coin is not only a symbol of the country's rich heritage, but in certain cases has been valued at a jaw-dropping $6 million due to its extraordinary rarity, historical significance, and unique numismatic features. But how could a common-looking coin command such a fortune? What makes this seemingly ordinary piece of metal so special? Let's embark on a step-by-step journey to uncover the mystery behind the 1997 Philippine 5 peso coin, its incredible value, and why it has become the crown jewel for numismatists and currency enthusiasts alike. The story begins in the late 1990s, a period of transition for the Philippine currency. The Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, the country's central bank, was updating and releasing new coin designs to reflect national heroes and important symbols of the nation's identity. Among these was the 5 peso coin, featuring the likeness of Emilio Aguinaldo, a revolutionary leader and the first president of the Philippines. The coin's obverse side displays Aguinaldo's dignified profile, while the reverse features the national emblem and the year of minting, 1997. At first, millions of these coins were circulated, and for the average Filipino, the 5 peso coin was simply a way to pay for a jeepney ride or a quick snack. Yet hidden within the vast sea of ordinary coins, a tiny fraction of the 1997 mintage possessed unique characteristics that would eventually make them legendary among collectors. Step 1 in understanding the value of this coin is to know what sets it apart. The vast majority of 1997 5 peso coins are worth their face value, but a few rare specimens exhibit minting errors, unusual compositions, or other anomalies that transform them from everyday currency into priceless artifacts. These variations can include double strikes, off-center images, or even the use of a different metal composition due to a minting mistake or experimental run. In the world of numismatics, such errors are not flaws, they are treasures, representing a fleeting moment when something out of the ordinary slipped through the strict quality controls of the mint. Numismatic experts have spent years studying these rare coins, meticulously cataloging their features and tracing their origins. A single 1997 5 peso coin with a significant mint error or an unusual alloy can ignite a bidding war among collectors, driving up its price to astonishing heights. In one extraordinary case, a 1997 5 peso coin with an extremely rare error was appraised and valued at $6 million by international collectors. This is the coin that has captured the imagination of the coin collecting world and has become the stuff of legend. Step 2 in our journey is to explore the allure of coin collecting itself. Numismatics is more than just a hobby. It's a passion that connects people across cultures, ages, and backgrounds. For collectors, each coin is a time capsule, a tangible link to the past that tells a story no book ever could. The thrill of discovering a rare coin, the satisfaction of adding it to a carefully curated collection, and the possibility that a humble coin could be worth a fortune. These are the emotions that drive the numismatic community. Collectors seek out coins not only for their rarity, but also for their historical significance and beauty. The 1997 Philippine 5 peso coin ticks all these boxes. It commemorates Emilio Aguinaldo, a figure of national pride, and it was minted during a period of economic and social transition in the Philippines. For some, owning this coin is like holding a piece of the country's soul, a reminder of the struggles and triumphs that shaped its history. But what exactly makes a coin valuable? Step 3 is to understand the factors that determine a coin's worth. Rarity is the most obvious. If only a handful of coins with a certain error exist, collectors will pay a premium to own one. Condition is another key factor. Coins that have never been circulated, known as uncirculated or mint state, are much more valuable than those that have been worn down by years of use. Provenance, or the coin's history of ownership, can also add to its value, especially if it comes from a famous collection. The 1997 5 peso coin that achieved the $6 million valuation combined all these elements. Not only was it an error coin, making it exceedingly rare, but it was also in pristine, uncirculated condition. Its provenance was impeccable, having been part of a renowned collection that had been featured in international numismatic exhibitions. Step 4 is to look at the global numismatic market. Coin collecting isn't just a local or regional pastime, it's a worldwide phenomenon. Rare coins from the Philippines have attracted interest from collectors in the United States, Europe, and Asia, each seeking to own a piece of history. Auction houses in major cities like London, New York, and Hong Kong regularly feature Philippine coins, with prices soaring for the most desirable specimens. The story of the 1997 5 peso coin has only added to this excitement. When word spread that a single coin had reached a value of $6 million, collectors everywhere began to search their own collections, hoping to find a similar treasure. It sparked a wave of curiosity and a renewed interest in Philippine coins, drawing attention not only to the 5 peso coin, but also to other rare and valuable coins from the region. Step 5 is to learn how you might identify a valuable coin in your own collection. It all starts with careful observation. Examine your coins closely. Look for any anomalies in the design, unusual markings, or errors in the stamping. Sometimes a misaligned die or a double strike can be very subtle, visible only under magnification. Pay attention to the coin's weight and composition. A coin made from an unexpected metal can be a sign of a rare minting mistake. You might be wondering, could you have a $6 million coin hiding in your piggy bank or old coin jar? While the odds are slim, it's not impossible. Several valuable coins have been discovered by ordinary people who simply took the time to look a little closer. That's the magic of coin collecting. Every coin has a story, and sometimes the most extraordinary stories are hiding in the most ordinary places. Step 6 is understanding what to do if you think you've found a rare coin. The first step is to handle it carefully. Never clean or polish a potentially valuable coin, as this can reduce its value. Place it in a protective holder to prevent further wear. Then seek out a reputable coin dealer or numismatic expert for an evaluation. There are also online communities and forums where experienced collectors can offer advice and help you identify your find. The world of numismatics is full of surprises, and the 1997 Philippine 5 peso coin is a shining example of how a simple object can become a priceless treasure. Its story is one of chance, history, and the enduring appeal of discovery. For collectors, every coin hunt is a new adventure, a chance to connect with the past, uncover hidden value, and perhaps, just perhaps, stumble upon the next great numismatic legend. As we reach the end of this journey, let's recap what makes the 1997 Philippine 5 peso coin so special. Its commemoration of a national hero, the rare and valuable minting errors, its pristine condition, and the global fascination it inspires among collectors. Its staggering $6 million value is a testament to the power of rarity and the passion of the numismatic community. But beyond the headlines and the price tags, this coin represents something even more valuable: the thrill of discovery, the joy of collecting, and the stories that coins carry through time. Whether you're an experienced collector or just starting out, the world of coins is full of possibilities, waiting for you to explore. If you've enjoyed diving into the mystery and magic of the 1997 Philippine 5 peso coin, there's so much more to discover. Coins from every corner of the globe have stories to tell, secrets to reveal, and treasures to uncover. Join us here at World Coins Hub, where every episode brings you closer to the fascinating world of numismatics and the adventure of collecting. Don't miss out on future stories of rare coins, valuable currency, and tips on how you can start your own collection. Hit that subscribe button now and become a part of the World Coins Hub community. You never know, the next great coin discovery could be yours. Thank you for watching and happy collecting.